Taking plants from soil to hydroponics, or taking plants from outside to the inside greenhouse. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So today I'm going to show you how you can take your plants inside without having them infested with insects and other pests. We're going to transplant this from outside into the greenhouse indoors. So what we're going to do is going to make sure that we eliminate any diseases that might be on any insects that might be on the leaves. So we want to try to make sure that we pull it out without destroying the roots. So you can tap it like this and it should be able to come out much easier. So I'm gonna try to dig it out. Like that. So what we want to do is take out all the soil and the compost. Let me put it back in here. Like that. We have the roots. We're gonna rinse it. Do the next one. These are special plants that I don't have seedlings here, and I want to maintain it throughout the winter so that I can have it next year. So we want to make sure that we save the roots and save the plant so that we can have it again next year. So take out all the soil. You can just take out the soil like that. Then we're just gonna wash it and you just rinse it out. Just rinse out the roots. And there you have it. You have your root system right there. So you can also spray the leaves, wash out any insects or anything that might be on it. The next thing you want to do is you want to rinse the leaves and the stem with soapy water like this. This is just dish soap in here, and I'm just gonna rinse the leaves in there with soapy water. That's gonna eliminate any insects. Even though you cannot see the insects might be there, just gonna the leaves with soapy water like that. Just make sure you get the stems too. If you want, you can also rinse this, and that's fine. You can just rinse the roots too with soapy water. We're gonna rinse it with water later on. Just want to rinse it all with soapy water like that. And now we're gonna rinse it with water. Now we're gonna rinse the soap off with water. And there you have it. Now we can plant this in our container inside. What we're gonna do before we plant it is we're gonna spray with neem oil. Just spray the whole leaves with neem oil before we plant it. So the next thing you want to do is you want to spray it with neem oil. You want to spray, if you have leaves that spray with leaves like that, spray the stems. with neem oil. So the neem oil is gonna kill any other insects or eggs that are on the plant. I'll put a link in the description below on how to mix your neem oil. Then we're just gonna let it dry a little bit before we transplant it into our new container. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna plant this into this container. So what we're gonna do is just make sure that we make a little hole. Just spread like that, and then we add just add it like that. Put another smaller one on the side over here. Just want to maximize the space. Just want to bury the roots. And then we're gonna water it. Then you just add it into your indoor greenhouse and just continue growing it from there. Hope this video helped you out. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing, everybody.